Hi there, I'm Anwar07, and this is my unboxing and first impressions video of the 3-in-1 wireless charging pad by Mophie. This pad, specifically, is only available at the Apple Store. That meaning the glossy glass-looking plastic edition, like this one. But you can actually find the same pad, just different texture, being a soft fabric texture version on Amazon for the same price of $140, but Amazon usually discounts it down to $112 or so dollars. So if you don't actually want the glossy glass version, then you can go ahead and save a few dollars. Plus, Best Buy will price match it more than likely. As you can see in the box, this is compatible with all the wireless charging capable iPhones and Apple Watches plus AirPods. The texture on the box of the image itself has a different texture than the box, which is a really cool detail, I think. The box definitely does feel and smell, because I like to smell my new products, like a premium product. The attention to detail here is quite good. So let's get into this box, and as I'm pulling it, I'll just talk about a few details that I want to share with you. The AirPods Pro will not actually fit in the little spot that it is designated for AirPods. But no problem, they will still charge, they just won't look flush like they're supposed to. But actually, I've tried it and they charge with no issue, plus it actually doesn't look that bad. It kind of just hides the little patch on the bottom. And the Apple Watch part is actually not attached at the beginning, as you can see. You just attach to it, it kind of clicks into place, and voila, done. The Apple Watch, of course, cannot charge where the AirPods and iPhone go because it is not Qi enabled. Only the iPhone and AirPods are. The AirPods won't really move around, only of course if you have the AirPods Pro, it will be much easier to move them since they are not really in that rubberized gripped area completely, only some edges do. I have been using this for about 3 weeks, so I'm gonna keep testing it before I make a review, which will be a short review, but I just wanted to let you know that Mophie loves you, and if you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments and with a like. Plus, if you want to see the review and want to see other reviews on other products, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified whenever that happens. But anyway, to finish this, I really like the product. In the last 2-3 weeks that I've been using it, the iPhone does take a little bit getting used to where to place it. It's a little annoying at first because it feels like it should work, but it doesn't at times. But after a couple days, I actually got used to it, and now I have really no issue. But it is quite a narrow area, so there is that. It has to be quite specific. The light does turn on, but the phone pretty much covers it. If you have AirPods on that side, you can't lay it in a way that it doesn't cover the light. Mostly if you have a Max version of the iPhones or Plus. The light on the bottom is a really nice detail, and the AirPods charge no issue really. I've read online that they say that it does fall over or something, but it doesn't really. It's next to my bed, and I've never had it tip over or anything. It is a fingerprint magnet, of course, but it does look really nice. Here in my state, there is a lot of dirt, so if I don't clean at least once a week, I'm definitely going to end up covering it up with little dust particles. And of course, it is a 7.5 watt, so it is slow yet That is the fastest that iPhones allow charging for, 7.5 watts. And Apple Watch charges as a normal rate. Like always, so do the AirPods, which doesn't take too long. Apple Watch is about an hour and a half to 2 hours to fully charge. And the iPhone, well, it takes a while. Don't expect to use fast wireless charging as a emergency or I need to juice up quick kind of moments, that you just use the wired, use an iPad charger plugged into your iPhone and bam, that'll do the job much better than any wireless charger will be able to, since like I said, it is limited to 7.5 watts. The AirPods Pro do not obstruct the view of the Apple Watch. Honestly, I can see it just clearly. And anyway, that is my unboxing and first impressions. They are positive and definitely overpriced. I feel like it should not be more than $100, honestly, but I wanted to give it a shot because I really like the design and I like the Mophie brand. Anyway, I've been in Waro7. Let me know if you have any questions for my final review, and I'll catch you all next time.